I start in English, and after one or two sentences, I jump to the local language. So how I continue to in English only. Everybody should read that book. I personally think that.
Hmm. Honestly, I have the book. I haven't read it. Like it's been here for the last 2 years, I think.
Yes,
But
yes.
I don't know
But
why.
and after I started the particular game, and after 1 minute, nobody want to quit that game. In a starting, nobody want to join that game, and after 1 minute or 2 minutes, nobody want to quit that game. So
Mostly, we have a strong battle with ourselves, which we are not able to solve ever. Like constantly for many
yes,
10 to 20 years, people are going through the same battle which they have with themselves, like negative thoughts, negativity, procrastination, have
yes,
dreams but
yes.
not able to figure out how to do, where to do, even not are ready to take the first step. They know they have a lot of content, they want to create a video, but it's not, they are not able to even start it.
Hello, good morning, madam.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
I'm doing well. May I audible or visual?
Yes, you are audible and visible.
Okay.
How's your
So
day been
I'm
going so far?
yeah, actually, I'm very excited. I'm waiting for your session from long back. And
Okay.
6 months ago, I saw your video only. From that day onward, I started improving my language. So nowadays, I can talk to anybody and I can share what I think in English because of you
Wow.
only.
Oh, that's really amazing. Thank you for sharing. And it really means a lot that you started your journey and you watch my videos. And I'm happy to see that, okay, my videos are helping people. Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. So you are here for the very first time. We are connecting for the very first
Yes.
time. So I would like to know about you.
Okay. Okay. Ma'am. So I am Vikas Kumar and connecting with you from Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. By
Okay.
profession, I'm a mechanical engineer. I completed my BTech in mechanical, and after that, I completed my MTech also. And after that, I got job in Visakhapatnam Steel Plant. This is PSU company in 2017. From 2017 to till I am working here only in design field. Design in the sense of like mechanical design. Any mechanical part like a gearbox, shaft, any like that part have problem. So concerned department call me. So after that I go there and after studies I provide some better design.
Hmm. Okay, great. So I've been working since 2017.
Yes.
Hmm. Okay. So what inspired you to just like what made you to improve your English?
Actually, I hail from Bihar and
Hmm.
my mother tongue is Hindi. So in Andhra or south side, everybody speak in English and local language.
Hmm.
But in starting, I struggle a lot. In starting, I have to work with like junior fellow, like their technician or helper. They don't know English and Hindi. They know only local language. But my responsibility is that I have to complete particular work with the help of local people. So that time I struggle a lot. But these people help me a lot to learn Telugu language. In within 2 months or 3 months, I learned Telugu, and after that, all the work I can complete with the help of that person. And after
Hmm.
that, I become senior, so I sometimes I have to talk with the higher officer, and same any work progress report I have to tell them. So that time, if I if I tell in Hindi, then not look good. That's why I want to improve my language.
Hmm. Amazing. Amazing. That's great to hear that in just 3 months you learned Telugu and started
Yes, ma'am.
working properly. Okay.
Yes.
That's great. Okay. So before we dive into the conversation and I discuss the topic with you, do you have any question for me?
Yes, I have question. Like whenever I start talking to anybody, I start in English and after one or two sentences, I jump to the local language. So how I continue to in English only. So
Hmm.
if you have any idea, so please share.
Okay. like you are already good now at English and at the regional language and Hindi. So you have the option. It's your mindset now, like how
Yes.
disciplined you are to, or how determined you are to speak any language. It's your mindset.
Yes.
I also get this
Yes.
chance to switch to Hindi, to my mother tongue, while talking to people. So when I meet here in my city, and I know that the other person would be able to understand at least. If not reply in English,
Yes.
the person would reply in Hindi. But if I know, if I get to know that, okay, this person understands English, I would prefer mostly speaking in English. It's like my
Yes.
determination. Otherwise, because my determination is to speak English publicly, confidently. It's very easy for me to sit here and speak English with people as I have been doing for so long, more than 3 years now.
Yes.
It has become my second nature. Once I sit here, once a person joins me, I start speaking in English. Whether throughout the day I speak my mother tongue. But when I go out, it's not like natural to me that I speak English. It's like I have to
Yes.
train
Yes.
myself. I have to tell myself, have the determination to speak in English because there is an aim behind it that I want to speak English fluently and confidently. And I want to be very comfortable with the language when I'm in at a public place and I'm talking to people. So you should have that clear determination and clear aim behind it. So if there is an aim to enhance and become good at English while talking to these people, even if they're not able to reply in English, they're able to understand. You should always have this desire in your mind and heart to just speak in English. So it's like we have to resist ourselves. We have to control our, urge to switch to any other language. This is how you have to train yourself. So this is a conscious decision of your mind. So it's about mindset, it's about awareness, it's about consciousness and determination. It's not about the language. You are good at three languages now. As per my
Yes.
knowledge, whatever I got to know, you are good at three languages. You have the option. Now you have to be determined which language you want to use. Once in front of
Yes.
people, they are not able to understand English, then it's okay to go with Hindi or regional language. But
Hindi.
if you know the
Hindi.
person understands better, go with English. Even that would boost the other person's confidence also to learn English, to start learning. This is how we get that. Because I got this from many people once they started listening to me, they also had the urge. They also, it evoked interest in them also to learn, to grow. Because my journey on YouTube is from scratch, from zero. I didn't know anything,
Yes.
like I
Yes.
wasn't able to speak good
Yes.
English.
Yes.
So when they watch my entire journey, they have the same thought, okay, if she can do, we can also do that. It's achievable. So
Yes.
when you speak in front of them, the people would be fascinated. They would be motivated to learn. So I think we should always grab this opportunity whenever we are here. So it's not about language, it's about your mindset. Okay, so
Mindset. Yes.
initially you have to just push yourself a bit. I also do that
Yes. Yes.
because rarely I go out to meet people where I can speak English. Not everybody understands here, like they speak our mother tongue and then Hindi. So they prefer speaking that. But whenever I have somebody who I know that understands English, I mostly try speaking in English.
Yeah. Actually, previously I hesitated so much, but with the practice, now I am a little bit confident to talk to anybody. And
Hmm.
nowadays, if any conversation in office meeting. So earlier, I'm quite in meeting, but nowadays I can ask any question, and I'm also part of discussion
Hmm.
because of practice only. So from last 6 months, I daily do I practice maybe 1 hour or 1.5 hour daily. I
Hmm.
practice.
That's visible in your speech that you are very consistent, and only practice with consistency can help you reach the level you want to. And yes, repetition is the key. Even it's not just
Yes.
about improving English, repetition is needed. Improving your confidence, removing the hesitation, mitigating the fear and hesitation is also a constant practice. Maybe for the very first time you took the initiative to participate in a conversation and talk to people in a group or there, maybe your heart was like bouncing like anything. It was like crazy for
Yes.
you like, to raise your hand, participate. Once you try the same thing second time, it would be less severe. Third time, a
Yes.
little
Yes.
less more. This is how when you
Yes.
repeat, so repetition would help you remove the fear. Repetition would help
Yes.
you come out of the comfort zone. This is about exposure and repetition. Okay, repeat the same
Mm.
thing multiple times. I had the same thing when I connected here through even virtually with trainers. I used to have a lot of hesitation, I used to have a lot of fear.
Yes.
Once I did a lot with a lot of people, now it's like vanished. I don't have any hesitation at all, no matter who the
Yes.
person is
Yes.
in front of me, except native speakers. Let me tell you one more thing. Like,
Yes.
I still have the fear of talking to native speakers. It's not about like I'm weak at it, or it's about I really lack still, I think, in understanding their fast English. When they speak a little faster, and I am really still skeptical about understanding their accent with speaking with a fast pace. That's a bit difficult for me. Sometimes I feel like maybe I would answer something different, I won't be able to understand properly. So, and I once had a conversation with a native speaker, and I'm sure once I do it 4 times, 5 times, 10 times, it would also be vanished.
Yes.
This is just about how
Yes.
much exposure you give to yourself and how many times you repeat the same thing.
Yeah, actually, in my office, everybody have like one of my boss he from Tamil Nadu.
Mm-hmm.
He speak very well, and one my just my boss he from here the Andhra only. He also speak very well, but in the starting, I teach him Hindi. Actually, I am not able to speak in English, so I teach him. You please learn Hindi, and after that, he used to talk with me in Hindi only. And
Hmm.
nowadays, I started to learning in English, and after that, he also support me. How you improve? He anytime I feel I did mistake, then he's tell you did like that mistake. The next time you care of that word or that sentence.
That's great. You got a really great people around you, and you got that environment
Yes,
where
yes,
people are helping each other. That's amazing to hear.
yes, yes.
Great. Mostly I have heard that people laugh, judge, criticize.
No,
But
no,
if you
no,
get a
not like that
chance,
here. Yeah.
if you get an environment
Yes,
where
yes.
people help each other, that's amazing thing. That's a privilege.
Yeah. Actually, I faced lot of problem regarding English from at the time I was in BTech. That time I also faced lot of problem related to communication, but I'm not concerned about that. But nowadays it's really required. If any time anything you really require, then after you started working on that. If you start working on that, then you can achieve that particular things.
Yeah, true, true. It's achievable. It's something which
Yes.
anyone can achieve, no matter if the person is has done his 12th or not. The person can definitely learn.
Yes. Yes.
If he's totally illiterate, still the person can do it. Still the person can achieve it. Okay, great. And yes, as you mentioned, it has become an essential skill. It has become indispensable now. It's like absolutely necessary.
Yes.
You cannot
Yes. Yes.
grow
100%.
in career without this skill. So you have to be very good at
Yes. Yes.
communication. Yeah. How long have you
Yes.
been
Yes.
learning?
Last 6 months I'm
6 months.
learning
Okay.
from I'm concerning, but I know English. But from last 6 months, I'm practicing and
Speaking.
yes, speaking.
Hmm. Right, right. Got it. In 6 months, you are
And
doing, I think, great. You have achieved a great level in just 6 months.
actually, I watched from all of your video. From you uploaded almost more than 200 video you uploaded in YouTube.
Hmm.
So I watched all of your video, and almost 50 or 60% your video I downloaded, and anytime any at the time I'm free, I listen your video only.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Um,
That's really nice
yes.
to hear that this is how you are watching my videos. And happy to hear that these videos are helping you.
Yes, yes, that video helped a lot. And nowadays, actually, you only discuss about two, three books like Power of Subconscious Mind, and uh, one more book you discussed that I read Power of Subconscious Mind. I read throughout, and one more book, famous book. You also know about that, Rich Dad and Poor Dad.
Hmm.
You heard about that book?
Yeah.
From that book. Actually, earlier I'm I don't know about how to save your money, how to make money from money. But after reading that book, Rich Dad Poor Dad, from that book, I learned so many things. How you spend your money, how you save for future. Like so,
Hmm.
that book is very very good. Anybody, everybody should read that book. I think I personally think that.
Hmm. Honestly, I have the book. I haven't read it. Like it's been here for the last 2 years, I think.
Yes,
But
yes.
I don't know
But
why.
yes,
When it comes to money, I love, of course, I love money. I love earning a lot. But it's like I have, I think, connected this factor with the energy and the law of attraction. It's like I don't want to go with the calculations of money. Money would flow into my account like effortlessly. This is how I just have the kind of feeling for money. I don't feel any pressure or any negative thing about it, or I don't struggle to earn. I don't struggle to manage. Like it's like balanced and everything is like smooth, steady. But yes, as you mentioned that everybody should read, I think I should also read because it's already there for so long. Even Psychology of Money, that is also very
yes,
popular book. People talk about a lot about it. I also I purchased that book also, like Rich Dad Poor Dad, and then Psychology of Money.
yes, yes.
But I didn't read both. I read only 4 or 5 pages of both the books, and then I
Okay.
stopped. I don't know why I didn't like reading about it. Money part,
Um,
when it is discussed in the Law of Attraction book, Mitesh Khatri talks
yes,
about a lot
yes,
how
yes.
to earn more, how to grow, how to save, and all. When the person named Ankur Wariku also discussed a lot
Ankur
about
Warikoo, yes, yes,
business and money.
yes.
I watched his videos and a few things he discussed. He has also written a separate book on money, which I didn't purchase. Like
Yes, yes.
that's his third book, which I didn't purchase because I knew that I won't read this related to money. I purchased
Yes,
Do Epic Shit. I purchased Get Epic Shit Done, both the books. Now third book he wrote is related to money. So I didn't purchase
yes,
that one.
yes,
I don't know why I don't have that inclination towards reading about money and all. But I think I should try my hands on this thing
yes,
now. For
yes,
so
yes.
long I
You
avoided
should
reading
try.
it. I think
Yeah.
now I should read
That,
it.
that, that book I liked so much. Almost I read 4 5 times for Rich Dad Poor Dad, and after that I started saving money, how to spend. One of my friend like invested their money in share market also, but I did not listen any of his suggestion. But
Hmm.
after reading that book, I also started saving my money in different area because
Hmm.
it's required for future it's required in
Right.
I read somewhere like in one magazine in India only one or below 1% people know about finances, how they manage wealth.
Hmm.
Everybody have wealth but he don't know how to manage. So if you
Hmm.
know how to manage, then your future will secure
Hmm. That's true.
and you can use your money in the best way.
Absolutely, yeah. Then, like with a lot of tools, with a lot of things which are considered as a great knowledge of finance, can help us just make money with money, not with like
Yes, yes,
properly
yes,
hard
yes,
work. Then money works for
yes,
you. Like you don't work for
yes,
money,
yes,
that money works for you. That's how it is said. Let's
yes.
see if I would be able to read any of these books. I'll try.
Yes, actually, if you start read earlier, I watch so many YouTube content and scrolling reels. But from your video only, I started reading. And after reading, all the things have changed, like your thinking ability, your way of living or way of thinking, all are changed. All impact in your positive manner. So earlier, I think I'm not interested to reading any book or novel, but after that I started reading. Then I enjoyed a lot.
Wow, that's really great.
Mm.
I'm really thrilled to hear this that you started reading because of my videos, because of my suggestion.
Yes,
You started reading and you're
yes,
enjoying reading because I give this suggestion to
yes, yes,
everyone. Not everyone
yes,
enjoys reading, but a few.
yes.
And
Now I'm enjoying.
this is just a direction that somebody gives us. at a certain point of
Yes,
time
yes.
when we need it the most. So person who take it very seriously, who takes it very seriously, can leverage this, and it helps a lot in this communication skill, in helping and upgrading your mindset, your lifestyle, your
Mm,
personality. It is like a holistic thing. When you read a book, it changes. Even I don't exactly remember the name of the part of our brain, but it changes that part of, there is a shift, there is a change, it transforms
yes,
that part of our brain when we read physical books, the hard copy of books, not
yes,
reading on
yes, yes,
screen. That is why it is
yes, yes.
suggested that if you want to upgrade actually your mindset, how you think, how you behave, everything in your life, you should always indulge yourself and devote a little time to physical books. Like always keep those hard copies with yourself and read that. That can change a lot of things in your life. And I am also the live example of getting a lot of benefits of reading these books.
Actually, if you watch any movie at the same time, if you read that book any movie, all the scene and all the imagination you can see. But if you read any book, that your mind work and your
Hmm.
mind imagine the things that like
Right.
blood flow and all the nerve system work properly. So
Hmm.
it will impact your
Hmm.
thinking power, your behavior, how you react in particular situation, like the
Hmm.
thing, uh, it will work.
Yeah, our
So
life become easier once we start reading, because we
yes, yes,
learn the way of living properly, the way of, dealing with people,
yes,
criticism, our
yes, yes,
life, our own emotions. Mostly we have a strong battle with ourselves, which we are not able to solve ever. Like constantly for many
yes,
10 to 20 years, people are going through the same battle which they have with themselves, like negative thoughts, negativity, procrastination, have
yes,
dreams but
yes,
not able to figure out how to do, where to do, even not are ready to take the first step. They know they have a lot of content, they want to create a video, but it's not, they are not able to even start it. They are waiting for the right opportunity, right people, right place, resources. There are a lot of things like excuses. So most of the time this is the battle which we are fighting with ourselves, which we are not able to solve. So I think books are the great ways to find your way, find your method, and it balances everything in your life. It gives you and figures out everything that you want to. So many people say that why to read a book? Just go with audio book, listen to it and all that. That also helps. But the shift
that
that
that also help. But
physical
if you, yeah,
book brings in your mind, it's quite different.
yes. And one more thing I want to discuss with you. Actually, if you want to start any new thing, so in starting you have to struggle with that, and after some time you start enjoying. So if you afraid of new thing, so you first you start, and after some time, after 1 month, 2 month, you can see this work I can do. So any for coming new work, you don't afraid, and first you start, and after that you may find the new way how to deal with that.
Hmm.
So I suggest you any of your like viewer, if they want to start new thing or any business and any work, so don't afraid in starting. In starting, somebody test you are able to do or not. So but if you don't give up, then after some time you can do that work.
True. And once the result is there, the result itself
Yes,
helps you keep going, motivates you.
yes, yes,
That's
yes,
true. Today in the morning itself, when I woke up around, I remember around 7:30 or 8, I posted on my community post the same thought that you are
yes,
sharing, that I asked a
yes,
question feeling stuck, and then I shared that you just have to have your, you just have to take the first step. And then I shared the link of my first video, that this is how I started.
yes,
So if people watch my
yes,
first video, it's like entirely in Hindi and I was confused, I didn't know anything. I just started randomly. So this is
Yes,
what
yes,
people have to understand, that take your first step. Do not
yes,
just compare yourself. Okay, today Rajni is doing like this.
yes,
I don't have anything like what she has.
yes,
When I started, I also didn't have anything. So when people watch my first, if you watch anybody's first video or anybody's first thing
yes,
in
yes,
any field, that is not really polished or well versed. No, everything is scattered. The person is
yes,
confused. On the way, in the journey itself, we figure out, we explore, we try, we make mistakes, we learn from the mistakes. We will sit with
yes,
ourselves. We
yes,
always have the introspection, scrutinizing everything properly, learning from that. We get feedback from people, and then we learn a lot from people. So this is how we grow in life. And so that is why if you're not taking even first step, you won't make mistakes, you won't receive any
yes,
feedback, your mind would not
yes,
work to
yes,
explore, and then there is no meaning, then you there is no possibility that you would be able to do anything. Once you do, only then these things would happen, and once these things happen, they are like stepping stones. They shape your life, they shape you. So I think people should definitely focus on their first step, whatever they want to do, whatever
yes,
new skill, new thing they want to try their
yes,
hands
yes.
on. Yeah. Right.
Actually, a similar things are happened with me. In earlier, I attended one seminar. Their lecturer told first in the starting lecture, lecturer called somebody, please 10 people come here and here I want to play one game. So in the
Hmm.
starting, nobody want to come. But after some time, he called by name, you come, and five people will come. Five people came there. And
Hmm.
after they started particular game, and after 1 minute, nobody want to quit that game. In a starting, nobody want to join that game, and after 1 minute or 2 minutes, nobody want to quit that game. So I mean to say that if you start anything, in a starting you face some problem, but sometime you after some time you enjoy started
True.
enjoying.
100% true. That happened with me too. Like when I had to create a video, it took a
Yes,
lot of time to think, create, go, upload a lot. But now I don't want to quit ever. It's like something I enjoy a lot. This is something which makes me happy, which shapes my life, which helps me in every area of my life, whether it is career, whether it is helping people, adding value, teaching, enjoying my passion, profession, whatever. It helps me a lot in everything, and I don't want to quit ever. That's true.
yes,
Yeah, right.
yes.
Anything else?
Actually, every time if I practice, then somebody give feedback. So your pronunciation and your fluency is a little less. So you work on your pronunciation. So suggest me how I improve my solution.
How you improve your
Pronunciation.
fluency and pronunciation.
Pronunciation. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So have you tried already anything as you got it as a feedback? So,
Uh, some nowadays I started reading newspaper loudly.
hmm,
So my tongue movement may be adjusted according to English language. So now that I started. So if you
right.
want to add something else, you can.
Right, right, right. Sometimes our mind has that fluency. Like our mind is able to
Yeah.
create the sentences quickly and in a very
Yes,
well
yes,
versed, but the way the mind creates, our mouth is not able to pronounce exactly. Our tongue and the
yes,
muscle is not trained, and that is why. So
yes,
one is the
yes, yes,
practice. Reading aloud is amazing. Read aloud whenever you
yes,
come across any new word which you don't know the right pronunciation. I would suggest you to search on Google, practice with Google, listen to it multiple times, and then practice and then incorporate. Instead of just using the incorrect pronunciation, it should be the right way to search and
yes,
incorporate the right one. Another way of improving your pronunciation is doing shadowing. When you listen to people, anyone that you admire, listen to them, repeat after them.
yes,
This is how that would help you. A lot of there are
yes,
native speakers. If you follow a lot of even Indians who are very good at it, these days, like, we have a lot of content, so we can follow anyone we like, and then we
yes,
can do the
yes,
shadowing with them. One more practice which is very popular for pronunciation, that is tongue twisters. Like you can
yes,
follow
yes.
any tongue
I
twister
had some.
and
Yes, yes,
yeah, so you can repeat them. That also helps. A few exercises also are there that is said, like putting your pen on between your teeth
Yes,
and
yes,
then
yes.
reading
Yeah.
loud. So that is also something I got to know. So these
Yes.
few things, if you do for a long period of time, so you would definitely see your result. Reading
Yes,
aloud,
I'm
I
very.
personally admire a lot, a lot.
Yes, yes,
Reading aloud and shadowing, these two things I do on a regular basis.
yes. Yes.
Yeah.
And previously, I don't know how to improve, but like seeing, watching video and all the things I get all the things, how I improve, where I can get the lecture, where I can get the study material. If after starting all the things I parallelly I'm getting.
Hmm.
So
Right. That's true.
yes.
That's true. Okay.
So
So you brought really amazing things on the table today. Like that would help a lot of
okay.
people out there who are struggling with the language, who are struggling with their life, feel stuck, or who are not into reading at all. So that would help people. So if
Yes.
you have still further question, we can discuss. Otherwise, we can wind the session up right here. It's been already 30 minutes.
Okay. Actually, I'm giving you your feedback, and after that, you can give. Okay.
Okay.
So, first, you are doing a very good job, and so many people are inspired by you, and you are like you are doing like how anybody they are from village or any part of India or sometime I watched one of video somebody connected you from Bangladesh and Nepal. So everybody taking your help from your video. So you are doing a very good job.
Thank you so
So this
much.
is
That
my
really
feedback.
means a lot. Thank you so much. That really means a lot. For
Okay.
you are doing great. I'm really impressed the way you are speaking in just 6 months. It's amazing, and there is no limit. You can just keep upgrading, keep learning, and as you are into a work, like you are a working
Yes,
professional, so you can just keep
now I am
upgrading.
in office only.
Yeah, so you can keep
Yes,
upgrading, keep learning. That would help you a lot in your career. And
yes,
as I mentioned, that you can polish your pronunciation with the help of these practices. A few things,
yes,
particularly if I tell you in your
yes,
speech,
Aunty.
the past tense is something that you can focus a little more on past tense, and then everybody, everyone, that's considered singular. So everyone wants to have that. Nobody has it instead of nobody have. Then earlier I don't
Oh,
know should be earlier I didn't know. Like these minor mistakes I noted that you were
yes, yes.
making.
I
That's not a big
I will work
thing.
on that.
I would
Yes,
suggest you to not take any pressure of anything. Native speakers
yes,
also make mistake, as you already understand these things, right? But yes, you
yes,
can just keep upgrading, and practicing every day would help you polish it. Like I didn't work separately on anything. Like I used to make a lot of mistake. I still make at times, but I don't bother, and I didn't work separately. I just kept practicing, and kept reading. So reading polishes the same pattern in my mind. Once it is polished there, it would be corrected in my speech also. So reading and speaking would help you a lot. Okay. Yeah.
okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining. Thank you
Thank
so much for the insightful session and the things that you shared with me. It was such a profound conversation with you, which would help a lot of people out there.
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day ahead and have a lovely weekend ahead. You're welcome. Bye bye.
Thank
Take
you.
care.
Oh.